let's try our hand at doing some physics-oriented vectors. And so let's create a vector, but let's name it force 1. And let's say that it's all x. So I'm thinking of x, y, z. So 2 in the x and 0 in the other dimensions of y and z. Force 2, I'm going to define it to be all y. I'm also going to suppress the returning of those values. And then let's make force 3 completely z. Now let's define net force to be what we would expect it to be, the sum of all of those. So force 1 plus force 2 plus force 3. So notice that it added those vectors. It added all of the x parts together and got 2, all the y parts 3, all the z parts 4. So kind of a simple approach to adding vectors. And so the thing here that's different from the basic vector operation video that we did was all we did was be a little bit more explicit in our naming, which you can get away with in any high-level language, including MATLAB. And so if we wanted to, we could write programs to solve physics problems. If there's a formula, it can be entered in, and anything can be represented pretty much by a vector, almost anything. So that's just a super quick basic one to show off that you can, in fact, use some vectors that apply to something physical and get answers out of it.